Welcome to today's video. So today I'm going to be showing you how I create this eyeshadow look using my Huda Beauty nude palette. Now, oh my god, you guys, this palette is absolutely stunning. I just absolutely love how pretty but dramatic this eyeshadow look is. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video and let's just get straight into it. So I've already done all my face makeup just because it's sort of generally what I kind of do every single time. So I didn't want to bore you with that, so I'm going to go straight into the eyes. So I'm going to be starting off with my Jayne 630 brush, and I'm just going to apply a kind of like base colour to the crease of my eyes, and I'm going to use the colour Secret, which is just this one at the bottom here. So I do take this colour quite high up the crease, and I just really take my time to blend it out, and this will just give you a really nice base. And yeah, I love this colour, it's so pretty. So next I'm going to add a bit more colour, and I'm just going to take the colour Tickle, and I'm going to apply this in the same position but just not as high as the other colour. So I'm going to use exactly the same brush and just apply this. I think the key to getting really blended eyeshadow is just taking your time. Don't rush eyeshadow, just take your time to really blend it out, and it will look so sort of seamless. And don't worry if you're like spending ages just blending it out, because it will make it look 10 times better. So next I'm just going to use the colour Spanked, which is just this one at the top here, and I'm just going to take a slightly smaller brush, which is my Jayne 610 brush. So what I'm going to do with this colour is just deepen the colour of my crease and just add a bit more depth and definition to the crease. So I'm just using a slightly darker colour, and as you can see I'm kind of really building up the colours and just really taking my time. It looks so pretty though. I never usually use like bright colours on my eyes. I'm very sort of more sort of neutral kind of girl, but I love getting creative and doing like different things. So yeah, I thought I'd give this one a go. So I start by sort of focusing on the outer V, which is just this part of my eye, and then I do add a bit of definition across the whole sort of crease as well. Then I'm just going to use my 630 brush again just to kind of like blend all the colours together. So next I'm going to dip into the colour Love Bite, and I'm just going to apply it to the outer corner of my eye. Using my 610 brush, I'm just going to take the colour Secret just under my lower lash line to begin with. So I've just zoomed you guys in a bit so you can see a little bit more up close and personal for this next bit, but quickly I'm just going to apply a little bit of the colour Tickle, which is this colour here, with my Jayne lid brush, which is my 600 brush, and I'm just going to apply that under my lower lash line as well, just to add a little bit more colour. So next what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the crease of my eye. So for this I'm using my Revolution Super Size Conceal and Define Concealer, And you've seen me guys do this before, but it's literally like the best hack to get in the perfect cut crease. So what I like to do is just dot a little bit of it on just above my lash line. And I'm just going to use my eyebrow brush just to blend it out a little bit. And then what I like to do is just look up. And then as you can see, it's just transferred onto the top so you can see exactly where your crease is. So now that's all done, I'm just going to go in with the colour Daydream, which is this gorgeous glittery colour here. And I'm just going to use my Jayne 600 lid brush and just apply that to the part which I've put the concealer on. Next I'm just going to go in with my Jayne 610 brush and just blend everything together starting with the colour Secret. Next I'm going to go in with the colour Tickle, add a bit more definition to the sides again, and then go in with Spanked and Love Bite and just do exactly the same process but just kind of like blend it into the part that we put the concealer on. So now I'm just going to finish off this makeup look with some black eyeliner and some lashes, and we are all done. So I'm just going to finish that off and then jump back on here and show you the final look. So this is the finished eyeshadow look. So I hope you found this video useful and I hope you did enjoy it. So thank you all so much for watching and I shall see you all again very, very soon. Bye!